What would you buy on the Costa del Sol? Tired villa in the need of a renovation? A crap apartment in the city center? Wrong. With the same budget, you can own this, a brand new development with very nice views, with a gated community, communal pool, and key ready in 2027. My name is Santiago Llera, and I'm a local real estate agent here on the Costa del Sol. In this video, we are going to do a breakdown of all the exact cost of acquiring a new development in Spain, and we will also analyze what can you get for your money. The reason of this video will also let you know why international investors are choosing a new development here in Spain, and we will see it straight away. First of all, let's talk about the Costa del Sol new build market in 2026. Meanwhile, in Europe, there are other markets which are thriving. The Costa del Sol is solid, is growing, and there are a lot of reasons behind it. The number one reason is because of the weather. In here, we have about 300 days of sun per year. It's the best weather of the whole Europe. And at the same time, you have all the European regulations and stability, health insurance, and quality of life associated with a good price of purchase compared to other markets around the world. What I can tell you as well is that the invest is getting a really strong appreciation consistently. So fundamentally is one of the most attractive European markets right now. Over the past 5 years, we are experiencing a growth of the prices between 8 to 12% depending on the area. Some areas are growing faster than others, but the capital gain is there. This is not a hype, this is data. Statistically, the Costa del Sol is growing and is developing very fast. More infrastructure we get, more things are coming to this area. That affects positive the market, and as well the reason behind it is clear. You cannot have a good investment if you don't have a good price, and prices here are still very attractive, still very competitive. You can get a new development from the 250,000, and therefore we have very attractive prices for luxury properties that a new development unique, when you can acquire a luxury apartment from 500,000 with views, with all kind of amenities. So that's definitely a big advantage, and what I clearly can tell is like now the new season, the high season in the summertime is coming, and I see there are a lot of new release from the developers. There's a new project coming in Fuengirola called Vanguard. I see a lot of effort from a lot of developers bringing new things to the market, and I'm very happy to hear that because the market is solid. The properties are being sold very quickly, and by the time you can get the kids a year after now in 2027, your investment is guaranteed because you will get a good capital gain. This is a new window who opens right now. If you're thinking about buying a property in Spain, probably the new build is the best quality ratio that you can get. And there is a lot of products, new release right now this year. We are very interested about it. But let's be more specific about price ranges. Let's gonna talk about all the price range from 250 to 350,000. This is the price range where most of the investors feel comfortable. And what can you get for that money here on the Costa del Sol? New development, brand new apartment, not key ready, something under construction, more or less a year and a half to completion. You can find properties in that price range in areas like Manilva, Estepona West, and even the Malaga East as well. In the Malaga East, you can be much closer to the beach for that price range, let's say about 10 minutes. In the other areas, maybe around 10, 20 minutes to the beach, but that could give you a very decent apartment. Open plan, co-working, gym, communal pool, a garage included in the price, and all the appliances for the kitchen and the bathroom as well. On the other hand, what you can get as well is a very good rental return of investment because you have a very low price, and at the end of the day, during the summertime, your rentals goes pretty high. You can go in that kind of properties around 250 euros per night during the high season, and that will also keep your costs much lower to help you to maybe families who wants to go for a holiday home or rent when they're not using it, to have a real estate asset in that price range, brand new apartment for the future times for you and your family is one of the most common investments we find on the Costa del Sol. The second price range we are analyzing is 350 to 550. Here you can get a bit bigger apartment for sure. You can maybe aim for a bit better locations. In this price range, you can go for areas like Nueva Andalucía in Marbella and to have one of these residential apartments like the new development Albatros, which is within this price range. Also, that can give you access to bigger properties. If you want to go for a townhouse, we have some townhouses in this price range on the Costa del Sol. More for a luxury, not luxurious, spacious apartment, not there yet, but you can have a very decent property with a large terrace in one of the best locations we have, like Mijas, or even in the Estepona East, in the new Golden Mile. We have pretty good offer. There are more than 300 new developments right now on the construction in the Costa del Sol, and that price range specifically is more, I think, more aiming for people who are looking to do a combine between use it for themselves versus doing a good investment for the rentals, or just someone who wants a bit larger property for living. That could help as well in this price range. A perfect example of this price range could be the Unique Infinity new development. This is a project which is a really brand new luxury apartments in a premium location of Higueron. For 545,000, you can have a very large terrace with the jacuzzi included in the price and very nice, beautiful views from your terrace. So that is definitely a good opportunity right now. If you're happy to wait, then in this price range, you have a lot of options for sure. Let's talk about now the price range 550 up to 900,000. Now we are really in premium territory. We have luxury apartments or penthouses on top of that price ranges around the 700,000. You can get a completely furnished penthouse on the Costa del Sol with very nice views. Also, that can give you much closer distance to the beach. You can be in one of the premium locations. One of the better examples of that is Cala Serena Sun. It's a new development from Via Celere. It's located in La Cala de Mijas, and you have very nice sea views. This is a townhouse with your private garage, with your very nice views and everything there, really close to the beach. That's a good example. In that price range, you can get as well some of the new developments which are in areas that could be Higueron with the project Coral, for example. 795,000, you can get a townhouse in a gated community in a premium location like is Higueron, or something else in the Zenit area of the Estepona East as well, which is a luxury community of very spacious apartment, very large terrace, spectacular sea views, and just a couple of steps away from the beach. Whether you have 250,000 or 850,000, it doesn't matter. There is an investment for you in the new development, and every single apartment from pre-construction to key ready, you will have your appreciation. So ideally, we have to analyze each case, what's your goals of the investment, and we can find the best new development for you. In this part of the video, I would like to talk about why new developments beat the resales market. You need to understand that ideally, in an ideal world, a buyer, when it comes to a foreign country, they want to do a short transaction, right? They give you the money, you give me the keys, end of the story. That is pushing the resales market prices much higher. When we reach into the point when they are so high that the actual prices of a new development is always very competitive. It's super competitive. I had a story in the very beginning of my career about a lady that she wanted to move to the Costa del Sol. She was very tired of living her life in her country and she was really looking forward to move here. She didn't want to wait. Life is short, they say. And then she went for a resale apartment at the time in the same neighborhood that there was another building on the construction. Basically was pretty much the same price. When she moved to the property and she started to enjoy the lifestyle, she used to watch the building rises, this brand new, beautiful building right next to her terrace. And by the time that the building was growing and developing more, the prices was also rising. What she mentioned is like she couldn't ever afford the value of a brand new apartment, and the resale properties comes with a lot of issues. It was a property pretty much from the 80s and it needed a lot of work and constant maintenance. And on the other hand, this brand new beautiful apartment that was emerging next to her terrace, she was pretty sad. By the time she regretted was already too late. She had made a decision and she was regretting that she didn't go for a new development when she could have done it. When we have a brand new property with all the appliances, with all the bathroom and kitchens and amenities and pools, co-working, garages, all this is much better than the resale properties, because back then we didn't build properties with the qualities we have now in the new developments. And if you have the same price, there is absolutely no reason for you to wait a year or even more, because the value of a brand new apartment will always be higher. A completion date of a building from 2026 will always be better for something which is from 1990s or something like that. So let's talk about money, specifically about investment. And this is where the new developments will. The reason number one is the immediate equity. When you buy a resale apartment, let's say for 400,000, right? And every time you get a property, I see it from the buyers, they always want to do little renovations, to fix a couple of things in the kitchen, to add some things for the pool, and you spend money and money and money on the property. But that not necessarily increase the value of the property, and eventually if you decide to sell the next year, you will end up losing money, because all the taxes and around the closing costs about 10%. So that is a very tricky thing about the resales. You don't get this capital gain jump in the value of the apartment. In the other hand, in a new development, when you buy in pre-construction, the value of that property increase about 20%. Average estimate. On top of that, you also gains if you buy in an area which is a whole neighborhood under construction. There is a lot of value adding to this property as well, and other people are paying for it. So eventually, in areas like Higuerón, with the whole neighborhood is under construction, areas like the Estepona West, for example, there's a lot of going on in this area. When everything is nice, clean, and beautiful, you should get a capital gain about 40%. So the investment grows, and in the other hand, the resales is just getting older and older. That is the biggest difference, and the reason number one why the new builds are winning right now. And even that, when you have a similar price, there's absolute no question. The reason number two is the annual appreciation. Not just only you get a jump from buying and the contract in pre-construction to get ready, but yearly you get, like we said before, 8 to 12% appreciation. That means for that apartment that costed you 400,000, you're getting yearly from 30 to 48,000 euros a year. The third reason is really the rental income. This is one of the main reasons for the people to invest a property abroad, to rent it short term. And what I can tell you about the new developments is that the tenants prefer a brand new apartment, clearly, something more modern, something more beautiful, with a lot of amenities, which is one of the main reasons to go on holidays. You want to go to the spa, you want to go to use the gym, you want to have a very beautiful pool, and all this kind of stuff, you can find it very common in the new development. Pretty much all the new developments have a lot of amenities, and as well what you get is like you can put a higher price. You cannot charge 400 euros a night in a old apartment as much as you try to. And what I can tell you is, like, definitely all these new developments, if you choose it well, you can make a higher income in a new development rather than a resale apartment, 100%. And the fourth reason is clearly the maintenance. All properties requires a lot of plumbing, requires a lot of little renovations here and there, doors, windows. A brand new development, you have a 10 years guarantee in your apartment, and on top of that, you also have all the brand new appliances that anyone used it before. You will be the first person to really use every single piece of the apartment. So that is a big difference in my opinion, because the maintenance is also cost of the rental income. It's also cost you the apartment, and when you put everything together, at the end, the price of a new development is much more attractive. The fifth reason I could say is the payment plan. When you buy a new development, you don't have to completely fully purchase these real estate assets. You have very comfortable payment plan that you can put 10% this year, 10% 6 months after that, and 10% the year after. So that could give you very, very comfortable movements of your finances. You can use that money to generate other income through other ways of investment. So from that perspective, I see new developments is clearly the best option for real estate investors, and this is what we are seeing in here on the Costa del Sol. Let's talk about now the buying process of a new development, because we said before that it's very comfortable with the payments and so on. But most of the people I mentioned, when they decide to go for a new development, I mentioned that they don't really understand this process. The first thing you need to do is obviously hire a real estate agent. It's free for you. It's not like in your country. We work the American way. So any real estate agent have access to all the new developments and all the properties for sale, and the cost for the buyers is zero because the commission is paid from the developers for bringing the client. So you don't have to convince you to choose any specific options, and they can really assist you and help you to make a good decision. So once you have an agent, we do an online meeting, we discuss more or less what's the best option, and we start scheduling the viewings and finding the best investment or the best new development with your criteria and your budget. Once you choose one of the new developments and a specific option, then the next step is to pay a reservation. Regularly, it's about 6,000 euros that will block the property and the price. Meanwhile, you start the know your client process, or how we call it is the anti-money laundering process. So you can talk about everything about where the funds come from and so on. A month after the reservation, then you are ready to sign the private purchase contract, and then we normally do a big down payment, rather the 20% or the 30% depending on the new development. You don't pay anything else until completion, or if you could negotiate as well some interesting payment plans like we discussed before, to give you a better margin of payments. Normally you have to pay the 30% during construction and the 70% when the building is ready. The developer call you, we have the keys, all good, let's go to sign. In that point, you have to do a visit to the apartment to really see what they have done. We call it the courtesy visit before the actual title deed. And in that point, we always check a couple of things with the qualities, with the construction finishes and so on. Go to the notary, pay the rest. That 70% left, normally the buyers put a bit of a mortgage or completely, because the foreigners can finance up to 70% of the price of the property. And once you get the keys, get your title deed, purchase your apartment, then it comes talk to the developer about some little fixes that they can be done and so on. That checks that you can do in your property is give you more or less a month or two to put all the imperfections in the list so they can fix that and leave the apartment perfectly immaculate and beautiful for you. If you're thinking about investing in a new development on the Costa del Sol, I am a local real estate agent here. I'm very familiar working with new developments for a lot of years already. So the first step could be just to book an online meeting. It's for free for all my subscribers, and I'm happy to do it after 6 p.m. every single day. I'm available for you. So let's sit together in an online meeting so we can discuss what's the best options and the most attractive projects right now for sale on the Costa del Sol. And subscribe if you haven't done it yet, because I update with the best new real estate on the Costa del Sol every single week. And see you in the next video, okay? Bye then.